G'day and welcome to Nature Walk. I'm your host, Tex Greycloud, and this is John Forest National Park. Now, I'm in an area where there are a lot of grass trees. I think the Latin name for it would be Zaneria, if I remember that correctly. Quite a few of them around. Native to Australia, of course. Oh, those planes, I tell you, I think people are either going to Bali or to the eastern states. Now, I have family and friends who keep telling me I've got to go to Bali to go and try it out. Nah, not my cup of tea. This is my idea of travel. Getting out in nature, to get away from it all. Get the fresh air in my lungs and appreciate the scenery. You don't get that travelling in a plane. Well, naturally, of course. Nah, this is my idea of a good time. So, as I've explained before, this is the last of the series. Now, I do have other destinations in mind, like Mundaring, Kings Park next to Perth, and a few other destinations. So this is my very last video being here in John Forest National Park. So I hope you've enjoyed the series and look forward to the new one. So until next time, see you then.